Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Eric Coffee, your host of Con Giants, and today's podcast episode, I'd like to share with you 5 ideas for helping someone other than yourself during the COVID-19 pandemic. So let's get started with those 5 ideas right now.
Number 1, volunteer. Help 2 people other than yourself. Number 2, find solutions. Work on putting out little fires, not just big ones. What are things in and around your community that need solving? Number 3, be a sounding board. Mental illness plagues millions of people each year. Let's start using our phones for the original intent, their design of talking to others. With all this extra time on our hands, let's ask people how are they feeling and mean it. Number 4 idea, donate to others. I know people who are couponers, hoarders, that have piles of extra stuff. Talk to them about giving away some of this stuff to a nonprofit or others in need. Number 5, entertain us. I'm sure we can all use a break from the 24-hour news cycle. Do not let this downtime turn into wasted time. Use it as a way to showcase your gifts, talent, skills.
Most of us complain about not having enough time to chase our dreams, follow our goals, pursue our ambitions, but now you have the time, right? So what are you going to do with that time? Thank you so much for listening to this episode. It's been a very fun one to make. May God bless you and your family. Stay safe out there during the midst of this crisis.